Hey guys, and welcome once again to our virtual crawl classroom on this Wednesday. What is it, May 28th today? 27th. Yeah, May 27th. So, as you can see, I definitely had to cut my hair. I cut most of it due to coronavirus and pandemic. You can't go to barbershop, and I was having like a very lengthy hair, too long, as a matter of fact. So, I just took some clippers, busted all the way through, and hair grows, so I'm totally cool with it. But anyway, um, I am here to tell you guys happy Wednesday, but also happy last day of school. Today, you guys finish school, which is a really big deal because this has been a very, very crazy year. The Sigara campus has gone through a lot. So, first of all, we had the whole tornado thing, if you guys remember it, where we had to have class in like another completely different building. Our school was shut down for like a couple of days. And then Mr. Sanchez passed away, and that was a very sad moment for us all. And then this whole coronavirus happened, and we couldn't spend the last 6 or 9 weeks of school together. And it was very sad for me. I mean, I'm glad you guys get to, start the summer, and congratulations to all of you. You all moved on to sixth grade. It's a great job. There's some of you that do have to attend summer school, but once you're done with that, you will be able to move on to sixth grade. And I'm very, very happy and excited for each and every one of you. Um, uh, so yeah, this is going to mark the end of our school year, and I hate that it has to be this way. I hate that we have to say goodbye to each other like this, but I know it's for our safety and for your safety as well. Um, so, what I want to say before we take off, of course, today you have no work, nothing to complete today. It is your last day of school. You get to just party, which is what we would have done, and just enjoy. So, um, stay in contact. You can stay in contact with me many different ways. You can either be by phone. You can text me. That's my phone number. Some of you already have it because you were in the soccer team, or because your parents needed to reach out to me because of like a field trip or something like that. So me, I already have that. You can send me an email. This is my email address, aaamaya0432 @gmail.com. The first A stands for Alejandro, which is my name. And finally, by Instagram, I already have a couple of you guys on Instagram who have been following me, like Danily and Meredith have already followed me on Instagram. I would definitely follow back so you can have some followers. And my Instagram is at El Mister Amaya. You can definitely follow me there as well. So, um, definitely do stay in contact. I would appreciate it if you guys do. Other than that, I think this is the end of it. Now, I had promised that by the end of the school year, I would give out all my prizes. Be it safe that those prizes were not given away to anyone because there was no one to give them away to. Instead, I've kept them and I'll save them for next year. All right. So you guys will still have a chance to win all those prizes for next year: the Batman plushie, the board games, the figurines, the DVDs, all of that stuff. So I hope all of you have a great summer. I hope you enjoy your summertime. I know things are easing with this whole coronavirus thing. Still be really careful. Still wash your hands every time you go. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your mouth. Don't eat something without thoroughly washing your hands for 30 to 45 seconds. I know things are easing out, but I think the coronavirus will be back in the fall. It will be back in August. That's what viruses do. They come out in the spring or in the winter, and then they go to sleep for a bit, but then they come back even harder in the fall. So please stay safe. You don't have to touch everything. You can still have a great summer. I'm sure you can still go to the pool. You can still go on a vacation. You can chill outside. I'm sure you can do a lot of things this summer now that you don't have schoolwork, and I want you to enjoy your summer. Just please be safe. All right. So a couple of things. Eat a lot of oranges. Vitamin C is great for you and it keeps your immune system very, very strong. So no virus can attack it. Number two, wash your hands thoroughly before eating. Wash your hands when you go into a different place or when you come from a different place. And number three, don't really get close to strangers. There's nothing really important that strangers can tell you or anything like that. So stay away from strangers. That is also important. 6 feet away because you don't know if they have the virus or not. With your family, it's totally fine because you know you don't have the virus. Otherwise, you would all have been sick. But with strangers, stranger danger, 6 feet apart, all of the time, please. Um, and yeah, have a great summer. I also have a Nintendo account. You can reach out to me and ask me for that. I like to play a lot of Super Smash, and I've never been into Fortnite. I know you can also play it on the Nintendo Switch, but I may get into it just to see if I can play you guys. We'll figure it out. But if you ever need anything, if you ever want my help for whatever reason, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to answer all of your questions. And I hope you guys have a great summer. And we will see you guys later. All right, take care. It's a sad goodbye to say it this way, but it's a goodbye that we must say this way. Stay safe, and I really care about all of you guys, and I really miss each and every one of you. All right, take care, guys.